Hey there, Dr. Chris Cooper here with Cascade Chiropractic and Wellness. Is it safe to crack my own neck? I get asked this question all the time. You might be wondering the same thing. Did you know that by cracking your own neck, you might be doing more harm than good? Stick around to learn why. If you feel like you need to crack your neck all the time, you're probably suffering from something called mechanical joint dysfunction. Mechanical joint dysfunction is just a fancy way of saying your neck doesn't move right. Your spine is full of synovial joints. A synovial joint is the same type of joint in your finger, your elbow, your shoulder, your knee, etc. A synovial joint will pop when pushed into the paraphysiologic space. The pop is actually called a cavitation, and this is when gas bubbles expand and contract within the joint, creating that familiar pop sound. Stress, work, driving, and daily activities can cause stiffness in your neck and back. Your body feels this stiffness, and suddenly you have a craving to move. You stretch and push, trying to get this stiffness to go away. If you are constantly popping your own neck, you might be doing more harm than good. When you pop your neck and your back, you're most likely not adjusting anything. When a joint is restricted in motion, the joints above and below move more to pick up the slack. When you repeatedly pop your own neck, you're likely moving the joints that are already loose, not the one that's fixated. This causes the joints that are already loose to become hypermobile, meaning excessively loose. And you're not actually fixing the joint that needs it the most. The joint that was originally fixated is still fixated. You might have a temporary relief, but the feeling returns in 20 to 30 minutes. You didn't fix a dang thing, yet here you go. Keep popping your own neck. A chiropractor spends 4 years of schooling after a bachelor's degree to learn about the spine. We learn anatomy, biomechanics, and adjusting skills, and we learn how to fix a joint like this. A chiropractor can adjust your fixated joint safely, quickly, and comfortably. Remember, you only get one spine. I recommend that you take care of yours. Do you know anyone who pops their neck or back all the time? If you do, share this video with them. And in the meantime, be well.